everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, today we are going to learn shortcuts. Okay, so yes, shortcut is something which we use just for making our work easier, despite of knowing that there is no shortcut to learn anything. Okay, so yes, you have to go through all these things, so whole lot of things to learn something, isn't it? But yes, after learning so many things, we need some shortcuts to make our work easier. So today I'm going to give you so many shortcuts, not so many, but yes, like 10 to 15 predefined functions, for which best part is you don't need to import any module. You can use them directly whenever you want. Okay, so yes, I'm going to discuss like 10 to 15 predefined functions of Python, which is going to make your work really easier. So for that you need to watch this video till the end. One more thing, if you like, share this and like this and show love in comment section. You just need to do 3-4 things. Okay, share this video, like this video, comment whatever you want in comment section. Okay, and yes, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and bell next to it. Okay, so if you are ready, let's get started with these shortcuts. So guys, as I already said, we don't need to import any module for using the functions which we are going to discuss today. Why? Because these are not a part of any module. Okay, we can use them directly. So yes, these are all predefined ones. So first is print abs minus 5.6. So this is supposed to return absolute value. Okay, this is quite similar to math.abs. Okay, so yes, this is supposed to return absolute value. And what will be the absolute value of minus 5.6? This will be 5.6 only, isn't it? So yes, this will return 5.6. Next, eval function. This is supposed to evaluate. Okay, so yes, in eval function I passed 2 plus 5 within quotes. So see, whatever you pass, you have to put them in quotes, maybe double quote, maybe single quote, your choice, but yes, you have to give these quotes. Okay, so yes, 2 plus 5, that is 7. So this is supposed to return 7 and this should return 7. Next is float. So in float function, I passed 9 as a parameter. So this is supposed to return 9.00. Why? Because this is kind of typecasting. So yes, 9 is an integer which I want to convert in float. Okay. So yes, that's why this will return 9. That is fine. Value will be same, but yes, floating point, in floating point. That's why, what is floating point number? First of all, see, floating point number is a number which will have both integral as well as fractional part. So yes, 9 will be a part of integral part, and 00, that is anything after that dot or point or decimal, whatever you want, you can say. So that is fractional part. Okay, so yes, this will have both integral as well as fractional part. Next, div mod function. See, modulus function is supposed to return a remainder only, isn't it? But there may be some questions where you need to find both remainder as well as quotient. So this function is supposed to return remainder as well as quotient. Remainder as well as quotient. Okay, so in such kind of questions you can use this function. Next is round. Remember round off, which we used to do in 6th or 7th standard? That is the same thing. Okay, so what will be the round off of 10.6? This will be 11, isn't it? So this will return 11. And what if I put 10.2? That will return 10, isn't it? So same thing. Next, sum. See, in sum I passed a whole list as parameter, isn't it? So this will return summation of all these elements, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, so that is, it will return 8. Yes, you can use user defined list too. For that case, you just need to pass name of list as parameter. Okay, next is min function, and yes, you can pass only list, name of list, but no, I passed whole list. That is my choice. I didn't use any user defined variable now, that's why. Okay, so min function is supposed to return minimum value. So here it will return 1. Why? Because 1 is the least value of this list, isn't it? That's why. Next is max. So this will return 3, max, maximum. I hope you understood. Next, move to set function. See, there is only difference between list there is only one difference, sorry, between list and set, and that is list allows repetition but set does not. So list allows repetition, that's why Our elements are 1, 2, 3, and 2. So two twos are here, isn't it? But set does not allow. So what will it return? It will return 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Next is sorted. So this will return all the values but in sorted order. So in which way it will be sorted? It will be sorted in non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing. So it will return 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, it's not strictly increasing, but yes, non-decreasing order. So default order is non-decreasing one. Next, list function, and in list function I passed a string abcd. So this will return abcd but not as a string but as a list. So all the elements of this string, that is a, b, c, and d, will be splitted. Okay, a will be treated as one element, b other, C another, and D the fourth one. Okay, so yes, this will print this ABCD as a list. Don't worry, we'll see to it. Next is min function. In min function, again I passed same string ABCD. So this is supposed to return A. Why? Because A is the minimum value. Okay, so yes, so many functions are common in list and string. Okay, I'm not explaining everything, I'm leaving it as assignment. Okay, so now you have to decide, or you just figure out which functions are common. Okay, now move to next function, that is bin or bin function. This is supposed to convert a decimal value into what we call that binary representation, from decimal representation to binary representation. Next is OCT or octal. So this will convert a decimal number into octal number. Okay, from decimal representation to octal representation. Same thing HEX, but yes, it will convert decimal representation number into hexadecimal representation. Okay, next is, this is, I think I should explain. Okay, so yes, int, after int I passed two parameter, one string and after that two. See, this string can be anything. I passed 110 and after that I passed 2 as my integer. Why? Because I treated this 110 as a binary number and I asked my function, that is int, to convert this binary number into decimal number. Okay, how can I say it's a binary number? Because I passed 2 as my parameter, and base of binary is 2, isn't it? 2 is nothing, binary is nothing but base 2 number, isn't it? I can pass 16 here. If I pass 16, then this string will be treated as hexadecimal string. Okay, so yes, I hope you understood. You can just play with these things. Okay, you will understand. Next, format 1 to 3 and DC. D will represent integer, F will represent float, and B binary. Okay, so 1 to 3 will be written as an integer. This is already an integer, so this is going to return same thing. Okay, next float. So yes, it is float because this is the integral part and this is the fractional part, isn't it? So yes, this will return same. Next, 12 as binary. So this will return 12 in its binary representation. Next, I passed ORD. ORD is my function, and in that function I passed A. So this function is supposed to return Unicode. Unicode. Okay, so this will return Unicode of A. Don't worry, just let me run so that you could understand everything clearly. So wait. See, absolute value of minus 5.6, it's 5.6, isn't it? 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay, now float of 9 is 9.0, integral part, fractional part, isn't it? Next, yes, this is supposed to return both quotient as well as remainder, div mod function. So when 10 is divided by 3, what will be it? It's a remainder, it will be 1, isn't it? 3 into 3 is 9 and then plus. So 3 will be quotient and 1 will be remainder. So it returned 3 as quotient and 1 as remainder. I hope you understood. Next, round figure of 10.6, that is nothing but 11. I hope you understood. Next, yes, next sum. sum of 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So it returned 8, isn't it? So yes, it returned 8 as its sum. Okay, next min of this list. Min or minimum value, that is 1. So yes, it returned 1. Maximum value is 3. So 3. Okay, next set. So set should return 1 to 3, isn't it? And see, it has returned 1 to 3. Okay, next sorted. So in sorted order, isn't it? So 1, 2, 2 in 3. It returned everything sorted in non-decreasing order, isn't it? Now list ABCD. This is something which I want to show. Focus here. See, it returned ABCD, but every element, every character of that string is represented as element of this list, isn't it? So list function typecasted or this converted string into list. Okay, and see, list can have all elements of different type. Okay, it allows heterogeneous elements. Okay, heterogeneous elements. Now min of ABCD, it should return A and return A, and see, it has returned A. Next, binary or bin function. See, bin of 12 or binary of 12. Okay, so see, 0b, it represents it's in binary number, so leave this and move to next one. So yes, binary of 12 is 1100, isn't it? So it returned that. Sorry. Next, octal or oct of 12. So yes, oct of 12. So 0 then O, again it represents same thing, and after that 1 4. So that is octal value of 12. Now hexadecimal of 12. So 0 and x. So these are representing again the same thing, that it is in hexadecimal, and after that it returns C. Okay, I hope you understood. Now 110 in decimal. Okay, and 110 is in binary. So yes, it returned 6. Now 123 as a decimal number. So 123. This thing as a float. So same thing. Okay, and now 12 in binary. So it returned 1100. I hope you are understanding. You are getting my point. Next, Unicode value of or Unicode of A, that is 65. Okay, I hope you understood.
So I hope you understood everything which we discussed in this video and found it really helpful. If no, then do let me know in comment section. I'll try to figure out where I was lagging, and this will help me grow. Okay, this will seriously motivate me. And if yes, then share it with your friends as much as possible. They may need the same thing, isn't it? So I hope you have already liked this video, so I'm not going to repeat same thing again and again, but yes, I'll repeat one thing again and again. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Only practice will help. Okay, so with this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay safe, and love you all. So this is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.